What's up guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to fix your Target's docking station from not being recognized on your Mac. So what you need to do is download this app. It's from Target's, it's called Display Link. And then when you download the app and you launch and you plug in your dock, it's not going to work because this isn't here. Just go to the top of the screen, select right here, and then launch automatically after login, and then plug in your docking station and it should work. And I downloaded the app from, this is where I got the link to Display Link. I'll put it in the description. And yeah, hope this helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.